Hello guys, welcome back to this HTML5 course. Alright, so today we're gonna talk more about the input file progress, header, footer, meter, and data list, and some other tags. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the input file. Like, let's say if we want, for example, to upload a file. So, as always, we can create here a label first. Here we're gonna say upload file. Okay. Label here, let's say for upload. No, hold on. Upload something like this. Okay. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna say what should we say? Yeah, input. Then type. Here in type, we need to make sure it's file. Okay, to make sure that we can upload name. Hold on. Upload and then ID. Upload and what else? No, this is okay. Let's go here, refresh. See, this is upload file, and here we can upload files. All right, let's see. When we go down here, hold on. All right. See, right now it says submit. If we go here, let's look what's gonna happen. And we can use placeholder and say anything. Okay. Go back. See, it's not gonna display the placeholder because this is a file upload. Okay. All right. Anyway, let's see what else. br. Okay, there is also another tag. If you want to create, let's say, a progress bar, you can say like this, progress. See, and like this. Okay. Right now, let's see how it looks like. See, it just keeps going side to side because it's empty. Okay, let's create another one like this here. Okay, and here, in attributes, let's say value, we can say 30%. Okay, and then let's say the maximum, we want it to the maximum there is let's say 30% of what. Okay, so let's say 100%. Like this. Let's go back, refresh. See, right now it displays 30%. If we see it, for example, here at 1000%, or 1000, like 30 per 1000, see, it becomes smaller. All right, so if we see it, for example, let's say 90, we go back, it's gonna display here 90. Okay. All right, let's keep it at 50. Let's see. There is also we can also use another tag. It's called meter. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Meter like this. We can also say value. How much? Let's say again. Let's say 40. And the minimum is, let's say, 10, and the maximum, let's say 100. Okay. And then we're gonna say here, don't worry, we can write something here even though it's not gonna appear. Let's say range from 10 to 100. Okay, and we're gonna go back, refresh. See, it displays yeah, it displays here, see, 30%. Let's see, we can also do like this. Hold on, PR, and here we're gonna say again meter, and then value, let's say 0.5. okay, close it. Then we're gonna say 20%. okay, let's go back up. See, then it makes it full. let's see what else. No, here, hold on. 0.5. Let's go back. See? Okay. Okay, great. What else? Okay, there is also something in HTML that's called data list in HTML5. It's very useful, like if we want to create our own autocomplete. All right, let's go here, create BR, okay, and then another BR like this. Let's go here so we can make sure. And here you can say each one and then data list. Okay. Right now I can go down here, create an input, type, text, and let's say ID, what should we say ID? Let's say ATC, like autocomplete, Let's say comp, just like this. Oops, hold on. Changed files by accident. Okay, then here we're gonna say list. What should we name our list? Let's say I'll just say my autocompt. Okay, like this. Alright, that's it. We can go here. Hold on, let's put like a placeholder. Start typing like this. Again, with the word wrap. Okay, here right now we can say like this, data list, see, and then ID. It's like we need to make sure that it's like this one, see here. All right, like this. Then we're gonna say options. Again, I don't know why I keep saying options, just option. Okay, value, then here, let's say the first autocomplete, let's say hello. What else? Okay, next one, we're gonna say, what should we say? Sorry, the next one, let's say the value, what should it be? Let's give it a name, just like this. And then, let's just copy just like this. Let's create like some of them. Okay, let's say here. David. Even to like, okay, what else? Let's say Khalid, like this. Alright, so let's see right now what's gonna happen when we're gonna go back. Alright, let's go up here again, refresh data list. Here let's say, see, it starts like showing me David, okay, and Khalid. Let's say, let's see what we have here actually. Okay, we have, you see, hello, David, Brian, Fatih, Ibrahim, Louis, David, Khalid. Okay, let's say key, let's say F, see, then it stops. Okay, what else? Let's say Dave, like this. Let's say Ib, like this. E, C, let's say A. See, we create our own autocomplete. Alright, because usually like autocomplete, like you see like in browsers, for example, with the address, it's the information that were saved inside, like in the browser, for example, let's say you go shopping and then you type in your address and then the browser saves that address, and then when you go ahead like to shop again, it tells you like we already have your address in let's say in file. Okay, like the browser already have your address, so we can just autofill it for you. But like this, see, it's not like that. Here we create our own autofill. Okay, it's like, for example, if you want someone like like with the Google address autocomplete, for example, let's say you write here the city, let's say, hold on, let's go here, put hold on, Brooklyn, New York, city, like this, and then when you go and then you write, let's say this is for the first website you've ever been in, okay, you just want like to order something, and also let's say it's a new browser, you didn't like save the address in the browser or anything, and you start typing, for example, let's say like this, and then, no, it's going to refresh. Yeah, okay, you start typing, like bro, for example, and then it shows you like Brooklyn, and then you can select, sometimes like with the code zip as well. So, you know, like this. All right, let's see. There's also, okay, right now let's go like to another tag called header. Let's remove everything here. Okay, I hope like what you see here about the data list is, you know, is simple enough, that, you know, is understood enough. All right, let's go back up here, and then header. Okay, header, this is not a head, because there is head and there is header. A header is inside the body, but head is its own like independent tag. It's not inside the body. Okay, header is hold on a second, let me show you what is header. Okay, this is, see, like every time you go to a website, this is the header. See, it's always all the way on the top. Okay, for example, usually like in the header, you know, it's like there's nav bar, like the menu, you know, and stuff like that. And for the footer, see, it's all the way down. Okay, so this is the header. Okay, and this is the footer right here. All right. Okay, let's go back up here, and the header is always all the way like on the top of the page, above everything. Let's go down here. For example, here we can go and say, let's say h1, and then we're gonna say here, this is header, and then we're gonna go down here and say h3. I'm gonna say this is h3 tag inside the header. Okay, let's go back and see, it says this is the header. And okay, let's go down here, put here like p tag, let's say hello world, just like this, and then I'm gonna go here and say style. Okay, border, how much on the border to be? Let's say 3 pixels. I think that's probably a lot. Okay, solid black. Okay, let's go back up, refresh. Okay, see, this is the header, and this is what's after the header. For example, it's usually like I showed you here, hold on, you know, like the main div, and then like there's like articles, you know, and other stuff like the content of the page. All right, let's see. Okay, for the footer, for example, let's go here, hold on, footer, and then like this. Let's also like give it like a style, also a border, and then let's also say, let's say just 2 pixels. Okay, and solid black, just like this. Okay, for the footer here, what should we say? Just copy this one here inside the footer, like this. Footer. Okay, let's go back up, refresh. See, okay, this is the footer, this is the header, and this is like the articles or the content in between. Okay, okay, great, that's it for the footer, like in the header. For example, you see here, you can, for example, put like the menus, you know, and let's say the logo and stuff like that. Okay, and then here, you know, say whatever you want there to be, obviously. And then the footer, usually, you know, there's like copyright and stuff like that. Sometimes there's also like some menus, some links, and you know, things like that. Let's say help, articles, I mean article links and things like that. Okay. All right, let's remove this again. Okay, there's also like other useful tags, of course, like figure and like FigCaption. It's like FigCaption. We can use like figure, you know, to put text along something else. Like for example, an A tag, or let's say I don't know, let's say a P tag, okay, with an image like that. Let's say here, let's create a paragraph, and so here, hold on, this is for HTML5 image. Okay, let's say down, hold on, below. Okay, when we go here, when we're gonna say figure, see, like this, and then here, let's put an image like this, source again, source HTML5.png. I have like this picture on my own downloads. See these pictures here, it shows me, it's not like autocompleting, it downloads them like the IDE like downloads them like itself. I have like these pictures on my downloads folder. All right, then alt, let's say HTML5 image. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen when we're gonna refresh. Okay, this is the text and this is the picture. Let's see what's gonna happen right now if we put the text here, and let's also put the text here, like above. Okay, let's go back, refresh, see, and this is like where like FigCaption comes in. Okay, so we can go down like this, and then we're gonna say here FigCaption. See, like the caption for this picture. And here we're gonna say what? Let's copy this one right here and put it here. Let's put it like more and more and more and more and more and more. You know, so it should be like a lot of text. Let's remove this P tag and let's remove this, or let's keep this tag above. Then let's go back, refresh. See, it's like, see here like how much space there is. It looks like this, it's like its own text, even though like they are in the same tag. That's why you see here there is space, but still there is space like from here till the picture. Okay, like let me show you, like from here to the picture, see, there is space, but here there is no space. Like the text is for this picture. Okay, like it's obvious here, for example, it's like it's the title or something like that, but here everything that's written here is like it's for this image. It's like a caption. Okay, all right, let's go back. Okay, we can also put like these tags inside like an article, you know, like we used like before. If we go here and say article, hold on, and like this, and then we're gonna go down here and like this. Okay, let's go back up. See, now it's inside an article. So if we can, like, we can go later and then use this like to style it. All right, let's see what else. There are also another tag called details and summary. Let's go remove everything here again. Okay, and then we're gonna say details like this, and summary is inside the details. It's like a tag. Okay, summary. Okay, like this, and then we're gonna go here. Let's say summary, you know, it's like the header for the details tag. Okay, let's say here, hold on, let's say here what should we put here? Okay, let's just say p yeah, p summary. Just say just like this. No, nope, p summary. Okay, p tag in summary, and here again under p, this is the text after summary. Let's go back, refresh. See, p tag see, when we're gonna click here, then it displays the tag here. Okay, let's say here, for example, when I make it instead of this one, let's put it like h1, like this. h1. Okay, fresh p tag. See, when we click on the p tag, see, I'm clicking and then it shows the text. So let's do here again. No, sorry, let's it's like make it like, you know, more text, more, you know. It's like, this is, for example, like, you know, like in frequently like asked questions, you know, this is usually like this. For example, when you go to a website and then they say here, let's say on YouTube, for example, how frequently, you know, like let's say how frequently I'm gonna get paid, you know, something like this. Then when you click here, then it shows you like the text. Let's say here, yes, something like this, monthly or stuff like that. Anyway, okay. Okay, there is a new tag also, like, you know, that is only in HTML5 called section. Let's remove this again. Details. Okay, I hope you understood what I meant here. See here, it says, see, when we click on the tag, it displays what we want it to. We can make, like, for example, several of them. Okay, let's go, hold on. See, summary, let's make another one. Or we don't actually need, we can just actually do like this, like, hold on. Summary, let's try it like this and see what's gonna happen first. Save, go refresh. See, it displays this one like under all others. So what we're gonna do is we remove this one and we copy the whole thing. Like, each one has to have its own like details. Okay, hold on, let's go back up. Okay, let's do this again. See, in here, this is not even like a details tag anymore. See, because it's not clickable. Okay, we'll create another one, and save, refresh. See, right now they are all clickable. See, when I click on each, they open. Okay, all right. Let's remove these now. Right now, okay, for the section tag. Okay, let's first create, let's say h1 and say section. And also I think this is actually the listen before the last, or the one before the last. Okay, because depends how long the other listens are going to be. So, you know, you're almost there. Okay, here and then section. And also, you know, if there is something, for example, you know, I'm explaining and it's not understood, make sure, you know, to leave a comment to let me know, so I make sure to explain it well, like next time. Okay, section. And here we're gonna say, let's say, let's first put like an h1 again, and then say section tag. And then here we're gonna create like a paragraph, and here say, this is a text. Okay, let's copy it again. Like, make a lot of it. Okay, it says his. Okay, anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, right now let's go back up. See, it displays it as a section. You can see here, look, this is an h1 tag. This is an h1 tag, right? So let's go back up. Look how big this tag is. Look how big this tag is, okay? Because it's inside the section. So if we go like here, inspect, see, they are both h1 tags, but you see they are different sizes. Hold on, you can see here like the pixels, like 357, 357. See, but you can still see here how small the tag is. If I zoom in, see how small this tag is, and look how big this tag is. All right, anyway, let's go, for example, let's go here for the section and say style again. Actually, let's say background color, and say, let's use this time, let's use like hex code. Okay, they don't show us any here. Or maybe if we do like this, no. Okay, let's go and HTML, I think like this color codes, maybe. Okay, let's see. .com. Oh, it is. Okay, yeah. If we go here, let's see. See here, you can choose like any color you want. So it is always like recommended, you know, that you use colors this way instead of like, for example, when we just put like straight, like say color, and we say red, okay, like this. So it's always recommended that you use like hex codes, like colors. We're gonna go here. See, okay, you can also see here like the RGB like this. Okay, let's use this one here. We're gonna go and do like this. Okay, so we're gonna go refresh. See, the section is like has a different background color. Okay, so let's go here. Let's say something else. Let's say the border, we want it to be 3 pixels. Okay, and then I'm gonna say solid black. Okay, so just skip it like this, and then refresh. See, this is the section, and this is like the stuff inside the section. Let's see what else. Let's create for example like more of them. Let's go here. Okay, another one, another one, another one. And here, for example, let's say look, hold on. Yeah, see here we can choose like different colors. Let's go with hold on, let's go to blue. Okay, let's skip it. This one, let's say here. Okay, let's say pink or purple. This one, let's say what? Let's see. Or okay, green. Okay, save. We can also like change the color here of black, but let's leave it that way. Refresh. See, these are different section tags. See, first, second, third, and the fourth. Okay, see here, they are different colors. All right, so there is also actually another tag called time. Okay, let's just put it inside, like without removing everything. This is, you know, its own tag, so you know it's not like a tag that comes in that comes like with section. Okay, just keep that in mind. Okay, called time. Let's say time. We're gonna say here 12. What? A lot of you. Let's see first, and let's see who's gonna understand why this tag is important. Let's go up here. See, it displays. A lot of you might think that this tag is useless because you can just go ahead and use a p tag. Hold on, and use a p tag like this, and it's gonna display the same. Okay. See, yes, it is gonna display the same. The point is, this tag is it's not used a lot, it's true, you know, but it is very useful, and also like, you know, it is important like to schedule time. Let's say for example, if we didn't use p tag like you see over here, you see I changed it like to p tag. Let's say right now it is displayed like as normal text, even though like here it's like it looks like it didn't change much. It's important, like for example, if we put here see 12 p.m. And this for example 12 p.m. we put it like on the database, okay, and we'll put it like this, then the HTML is gonna display, or is gonna like read, okay, is gonna read 12 p.m. here as a text, okay, not as time. But for example here we can use time, so the HTML is gonna make sure that he will say, like HTML will say, oh, okay, this is time, you know, it's not just a text, it is time. Okay, we can do like this, for example, let's say a paragraph and say I have a meeting on what, let's say time, like this. Okay, and here like here for attributes we can say date time. Okay, and then here like this, let's say what is today. Today is 2022, the month is March, and the day is 26. Okay, see, like this. And then here we can, for example, like, let's say put the time, when, let's say 20, like this. Okay, yes, like this. And then here we're gonna say today is Saturday. Okay, or let's say yesterday, let's say 25. Okay, and then we're gonna say here Friday. Okay, let's save. Okay, let's go back up. See, I have a meeting on Friday. When we go here, it's gonna display it C as time. Okay, so the HTML or the server itself, the database, they're gonna read this tag as time. Okay, even though here it's written like tag, Friday, but Friday is gonna be displayed just like as it's like a label. Okay, but you see we already put time here, so it's gonna read the time. Okay, this is the time. It's not just a text. Okay, all right. Okay. Yeah, I think that's enough for today. All right, guys. All right, so that's it for today. Again, I hope that you enjoyed and you learned. If you have any questions or something is not unclear, just let me know and I'll make sure to explain it well next time. All right, see you guys next time.